I think fundamentally architecture is there for people. The spaces that we create is really a backdrop to their lives. We run a small practice and we manage the process from start to finish. It's really about understanding what the client requires, understanding the regulatory environment that we work within, and coordinating consultants and working with builders to make sure that what we envisage as buildings gets delivered to our clients. It's really good when we understand what a client desires through the project. So if they're able to articulate that, or they're able to have a conversation about that, that's really the starting point that we look for when we meet a client. Sustainability is a critical part of our practice. For us, really is around the use of energy when you're using the building, and there are different levels of that. So if we look at passive solar design, that has one particular approach, but then there's also passive house, which is a different standard, and it's really about a much higher standard of insulation, air tightness and heat exchange, which means effectively that you don't need heating and cooling in your house. I believe that the spaces that we create are always filled with daylight, and there's the movement of light through the space which gives it its life and energy. It's something that we've seen and something we enjoy. The idea of coming to a small practice shouldn't diminish the professionalism that you would expect from the practice. So we really make sure that the practice is well resourced so that we can cater to a variety of different projects. What we do is look at what's most appropriate for the site and what's most appropriate to the client and deliver on that.